Hi and welcome to the next tutorial. Today I would like to show you a new plugin from G-Sonique called PsyTunnel T1. And yeah, it does really sound psychedelic. Well, basically this is kind of a reverb plugin, but it has some extra functions and more details I will show you in this video. So let's start. Before we start using this plugin, I want to show you the sequence that I prepared, especially for this tutorial. So I will start with the kick and bass line, but I will also activate all the automations and crashes. So let's have a listen to it. Yeah. Okay, so as you can hear, it's a kind of a dark side genre, but I used like sci-fi sounds because I like this type of sounds. And I will use this psychedelic tunnel plugin for a group of my sounds. And actually, these are the group. I will activate the automations so the sounds are changing in time. Okay, so as you can hear, those sounds, those one-shots are actually kind of dry. They're missing some kind of ambience behind them. So I will use this psychedelic tunnel T1, which is a special psychedelic reverb FX, and it's dedicated especially for Psytrance music. Of course, you can use it for different genres, but this is a simple reverb plugin, but it has some extra functions. We have like sci-fi knob, we have this kind of dark energy, we have like basic controls for the reverb, for width, which jumps from mono to stereo. We have a reverb mix, which is the dry and the wet signal. We have a room, which is decay, damping, which is obvious, and we have some like a bunch of LFO controls that are changing those ambiances that we're gonna create. So I want to show you a few presets here. Let's start with first preset. This is the dry signal. Okay, let's check out the other preset. Yeah, we can hear it's not a classic reverb. Well, we have this knob here, dark energy, which actually, what it does, it creates a detuned copy of the reverb signal. So we have not only the ambience that creates reverb, but we have like one octave lower of ambience, which makes it a lot of deeper. We also have the sci-fi knob, which for me, it creates a kind of a 3D movement behind the sounds. And I really like this knob. So let's choose maybe this preset space, which is kind of simple reverb. I will increase the whole mix of this effect. The room, which is decay, I will decrease a little bit. I want it to be shorter, so my one-shots are not drowned in the ambience. But I will activate the sci-fi knob to add this kind of three-dimensional movement into this ambience. We also have this dark energy knob. So I said before, it adds this detuned copy of reverb signal, but I don't want to use it here because I have a whole spectrum filled with this sequence. I also have a different sounds. So if I add this detuned copy, my mix gonna become very muddy. So I will leave this knob at 0, but it can be used in a number of ways, and I'm sure you're gonna like this knob. So this is how I use this plugin. I just used it for creating a space behind my sequence. And now let's check out the whole sequence again. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this tutorial. This is a very nice plugin. It can create different type of atmospheres that you can create with a single, like a classic reverb. So I hope you like this tutorial. Have a good day. Peace.